Hi, welcome to 3D Modeling Pro Tips tutorial. In this video, we will create simple engineering drawing. Let's start by creating layer and named it as 2D drawing. Set the color as green. Create horizontal line, both size and total length 114 millimeters. Offset 84 millimeters. Create tangent circle between to line. Create another side. Create circle radius 11 millimeters. Create circle radius 11 millimeters. Create vertical center line. Offset 32 millimeters both side. Offset 12 millimeters. Fill it with radius so. Delete center line. Create new layer. Named it as 3D drawing. Use the curve Boolean tool to get the outer line shape. Extrude Z direction 20 millimeters. Curve Boolean. Extrude 45 millimeters. Curve Boolean. Extrude more than 45 millimeters. Extend down 12 millimeters. Select the edge by holding Shift plus Control. Move up 57 millimeters. Boolean union. Boolean different. Turn off the 2D drawing layer. Apply material property into the 3D model. Choose red color. If you found this tutorial is useful, please like the video, subscribe channel and share. And if you have question or opinion, please leave a comment below. See you in the next tutorial.